This guy claims he made it to Point Nemo, and if he's telling the truth, then he just sealed his own fate without even realizing it. And not because of sharks or anything like that. Quite the opposite, actually. There's almost nothing where he is, but rather because Point Nemo is quite literally the most remote location on Earth. So remote that barely any marine life can survive there. So remote that the closest human to you when you're there is Scott Kelly on the ISS. So remote that when we deorbit a satellite, we always crash it there to make sure it never hits anyone. And if you think you can just swim your way out, know that the nearest land is an almost uninhabited island over 1,600 miles away. And you're as good as dead, because if you're there, not only are you far from everything, but you're in a place so unreachable that even ships and planes, despite being in a rush to get from there to there, would still rather take a detour through the islands just in case of an emergency. Because it's not just the most isolated place on Earth, it's also one of the most extreme in terms of weather conditions. And of course, you have no signal. So even if you somehow managed to keep your phone intact and knew your exact coordinates, you still wouldn't be able to send them.